Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, overall if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it has already made a high, a swing at this particular level, then again swing after making a low of around 3.5, you can say 4.66, and after that we have seen it has made again a high of around 9.667, and from there we have seen again it made a low of around 5.357, and from there it is moving upside. So you have seen that this is a quite volatile year if you look at this particular chart. Okay, now you have to understand something, that it is trying to mean it has not been so volatile before all these years, but now it is creating a good panic situations at like recession periods and war scene. Everything has affected natural gas prices. So what we can see looking at the chart for the next week, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 6.79. okay, and this particular level is already being tested here, so probability is high we can see a level of 6.92. suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $7.416. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $7.510, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $8.2. once the price goes above $8.2, then we can see it can go further high. Okay, before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, mail us at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas and other commodities works, even forex and stocks, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if this level didn't sustain, because market is it is volatile, as well as you know that it can move further down, and it will not move like in a straight line. It will have to halt and then move upside, as well as if it will halt and then move downside. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of 6.554, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $6.3. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.9, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $5.69. okay, once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $5.693, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.357. okay, and this $5.357 is already been a weekend support, so probability is high if it goes below a level of 5.9. a probability is very high it can go further down and can touch a level of 5.118, and from there we can see a level of 4.950. okay, keep this in mind. Once if it goes below 4.90, then we can see it can move further down. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm making short video in order so that you can understand all these points, and if any doubt I am there, you can mail me regarding that. okay, so we can provide you the best solution. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please